Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, you need to open device's settings. In them, scroll down and tap on Display section. Now scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen. As you can see, mine is grey. That means that automatic screen rotation is off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always go into Tab menu as well, look for Auto Rotate shortcut and click on it. If it's grey, that means that auto rotation is off, but you can always turn it on by tapping on the same shortcut one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!